Good morning and namaskar. Infosys Limited has produced very good results, even better than TCS. Let us look at the quarterly results first. The revenues are 24,570 crores in Q2 latest, compared to last year Q2's 22,629 crores, 8.6% jump year on year. Now, previous quarter, that is Q1, 23,665 crores. So, even compared to previous quarter, 3.8% jump is there, which is very good. The cost of sales is 15,771 crores in Q2, compared to 15,000 crores, 15,079 crores in last year Q2, and compared to 15,703 crores in Q1, so approximately flat. So cost of sales has not increased. Gross profit is 8,799 crores in Q2 latest, compared to last year Q2 7,550 crores, so 16.5% jump year on year, and 7,962 crores in Q1, that is previous quarter, so 10.5% jump quarter on quarter. So revenues have jumped 8.6% year on year. Gross profit has jumped 16.5% year on year. Now, operating profit is 6,228 crores in Q2 this year, compared to 4,912 crores in Q2 last year. That is a huge 26.8% jump year on year. Compared to 5,365 crores in the previous quarter Q1, there is a jump of 16.1%. That is also very huge. Previous quarter compared to previous quarter, there is a quarter on quarter jump is 16.1%, and year on year jump operating profit is 26.8%. Operating profit margin has jumped from 21.7% last year to 25.7%, 25.3% in Q2 this year. Previous quarter also was 22.7 only, now it is 25.3. Quite good jump in operating profit margin. Now let's go to net profit after minority interest. 4,845 crores in Q2 this year, compared to 4,019 crores only in Q2 last year. So huge jump of 20.5% in net profit. Impressive. 4,233 crores in the previous quarter, compared to that also 14.4% jump. So net profit has jumped 14.4% quarter on quarter and 20.5% year on year. Basic EPS is 11.42, jump of 20.8% here also year on year. Dividend per share has been declared at 12 rupees per share. Last year it was just 8 rupees per share, so there is a 50% jump. And record date for that is November 11th. They have approved, Infosys approved the grant of 33,900 RSUs to certain eligible employees under the 2015 plan. The grant date for these RSUs is November 1st. So there will be a vesting period of 3 to 4 years, and it is the exercise price is at par value of the share. Now, large deal signings, huge deal signings have been there, $3.15 billion. Now, let us look at revenue by business segments. Financial services has given the maximum revenue at 32%. Retail is next at 14.9%. Communication next at 12.6%. Energy, utilities, etc. 12.3%. Manufacturing 9.1%. High-tech 9.1%, life sciences 6.8%, others 3.2%, total 100%. Almost one third is given by financial services, 32%. Next comes retail, and next comes communication, energy, utilities, etc. Others are small. Now, if you look at the revenue by geographical segments, North America has given 60.7%, Europe has given 24.3%, rest of the world has given 12%, India a meager 3%. I think India's share should improve, total 100%. Number of clients, active 1487 clients, added during the quarter 96 gross. The total number of employees is 2,40,208. The free cash flows during the quarter 4,989 crores, very impressive. The consolidated cash plus investments is 33,601 crores. Now, what does the Managing Director and CEO Salil Parekh say? He says, our second quarter performance is a clear reflection of our ability to help clients on their digital transformation journeys. Our digital and cloud capabilities, combined with the intense client relevance, are helping us to achieve differentiated results in the market, as is visible in 2.2% year-on-year overall revenue growth and 25.4% growth from digital offerings, which now are 47.3% of the revenues. So digital offerings are giving 47.3% of the total revenues. That's what Salil Parekh says. Q2 voluntary attrition for IT services declined from 18.3% in Q2 last year to 7.8% in Q2 this year. H1 revenues, that is half year revenue, first half year revenues grew by 1.9% in constant currency. H1 operating margin is at 24.1%. So FY21 revenue growth guidance revised upward to 2% to 3% in constant currency. So revenue guidance also they are upbeat, 2 to 3% they are saying. Operating margin guidance for the current year is also revised upward to 23% to 24%. Now, another top management, Praveen Rao, Chief Operating Officer, says the strength and the resilience of Infosys was fully visible in Q2. Yes, it is visible. We have seen that. With operating metrics witnessing a healthy increase, a broad-based growth, highest ever large deal TCV at $3.15 billion, attrition reduced to single digits, etc. Employees have been critical part of our success. As a recognition to their stellar performance, we are giving 100% variable pay along with a special incentive for Q2. So, employees are also being rewarded. Of course, they are rewarding the investors also. Additionally, we are rolling out salary increases and promotions across all levels, effective from January 1st. So, employees may be getting good increments, promotions, etc. Now, Nilanjan Roy, Chief Financial Officer, says, our relentless efforts at cost optimization and strengthening operational efficiencies, helped by certain cost deferrals, led to 270 basis point sequential improvement in operating margins to 25.4% and a 300 BPS improvement in H1 margins, says Nilanjan Roy, Chief Financial Officer. So free cash flows have also grown significantly in H1, driven by constant focus on liquidity and cash management. Consequently, they are increasing their interim dividend per share to all the investors by 50% from rupees 8 to rupees 12. So, congratulations to all Infosys investors and employees and management. So, Infosys has produced brilliant results after a long time. Normally, TCS results are far better than Infosys, but this time Infosys results are far better than TCS. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another very good company.